Here in Huntington Beach, we test aerospace and defense, and more so supporting the space industry. We do destructive testing of metallic materials. We have a dynamic lab, and we do other types of testing such as stress rupture and creep testing.
We deal with chemistry, we deal with the metallurgical lab, we also do our own metallurgical examinations. In our department, we do fractography, so we're using scanning electron microscope to look at fracture features. We do visual examination, and then we do a lot of our metallurgical testing, micro hardness, and then we use the key part of our talent, which is our experience and our knowledge.
In the mechanical lab, the work gets distributed through different tensile frames, so technicians test different variety of samples. They can be wires, machine specimens, threaded samples.
What's interesting about HB is a lot of our testing just shows up because of our name and how long we've been around, and we're trusted testing partners for a lot of these companies. So we can receive from forgings to fasteners, steel bars. We can receive as low as 140 orders a day, or we can receive as high as 250 orders a day.
So every day is a different type of product tested by the technicians. So that's the beauty about this field, that the technicians can experience different type of testing, different mechanical properties, observations.
We literally see everything from everywhere. Oil and gas, we do a lot of the local refineries, of local pipeline companies, stretching up to mid-California, Bakersfield area, and there are a lot of medical companies. But I think in general, I would say aerospace, but types of materials, we see it all. We see everything. It's kind of what makes our job cool and why I've been here so long.
We have a very fast pace, products flowing through all of those different laboratories, all making their way to a CERT department at the end, where all of the different test reports are all gathered up and sent off to the customer. Typically, many projects go through in 5 days or less, and then we also serve customers who have large, complex projects as well. So there's a very large variety of different types of orders, tests, and services that we provide in Huntington Beach.
We are a very important partner to a lot of our customers. We perform over 450 testing every day. If you look at fasteners, every airplane has millions of fasteners to tie things together, right? We make sure that they don't break during flight. We make sure that they don't crack. And then on the engine side, before a forging become an engine, it gets tested multiple ways for stress resistance, fracture toughness, fatigue crack growth, tensils testing, and of course metallurgically. We want to make sure that it's in compliance and it's fit for purpose and fit for flight.
Occasionally we do see things that are discrepancies, and that makes sure that by the time they sell it and it's on an airline, an aircraft somewhere, it is actually going to meet requirements and be safe.
We do what they ask us to do. Ultimately, it is our customer's responsibility to identify what their needs are. They flow that down to us through a contract or a purchase order, and we support those kind of requirements. Our job is to make sure then our results are accurate and we're doing what the customers asked us to go do.
I've always told younger engineers and students that engineering and the world of engineering is solving problems. We may do a lot of the same tests, a lot, day in, day out, but with Element and Element Huntington Beach, I think it is intriguing for young engineers to come in here and see the depth and the breadth of the industries that we deal with and the different materials. They're not just looking at one thing. You will see differences, and it's a constant opportunity to learn about new areas of industries that you might not get exposed to somewhere else.
The main thing that separates Element from our competitors were we have a purpose, and our purpose is make tomorrow safer than today, which is great because what we do is exactly that. I fly all the time, so when my family's on those planes, I'm glad it's being tested.
We're helping our customers solve real-world problems, so it's really exciting to be part of developing the future and new product development with our customers.